What's good, y'all? It's Chopper here, back with another Chopper racing video. On the last vlog, I told you guys that I was converting the Little Hawk, the green EG coupe, into stick shift. I was gonna convert it from automatic to stick shift. I managed to get the car done and convert it. I filmed some of the stuff for you guys, but the day I was doing it, we were in a crunch for time, and I was trying to get everything done in one day. So we actually worked from like 8 in the morning to 8 in the afternoon to get the car done in one day. So I kind of like stopped filming halfway because I was just frustrated. It was so hot, and I had to finish the car in one day. What I'll do now is drop some clips right here so you guys can see what I did film. So watch this real quick and I'll be right back with y'all. So now that that's done, I showed you guys a few things, a few clips that I managed to get, a little bit of a time lapse or whatnot. So now let me go show you guys the car. So here it is, guys. I know you guys remember the aluminum radiator. I gave it a pressure wash, so it looks a little like a little dry, but I'll detail the engine bay after. But here you guys see it. Tranny's in there. I actually powder coated the torque mount bracket. I also powder coated the T bracket. Let me see if you guys can see it back here. Got that powder coated real clean, and for the most part it's all done. We got the S2000 master cylinder here, the spacer braided line coming all the way to the slave cylinder. And the auto to manual motor mount. And that's basically it. We did the hoses. It was a pretty straightforward job. It gave us a lot of work, and it was a little hot that day. So here it is. I put an energy shift knob, carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys could pick it up in the camera, but the car is officially stick shift, and drives good. It's nice. I like it a lot better than automatic. Anybody would, but so they put a new throttle cable also. Manual one is different than the auto. So this is it for the manual conversion. But what I did notice was had a couple of hiccups. To me, it felt like the shift linkage is slightly bent from the previous owner. So I went and I got a new shift linkage. And also the motor mounts, the ones that are not, obviously the tranny one is brand new, but the side motor mount here and the rear, and also the torque mounts, they're like the factory mounts. So I plan on changing those because the whole motor rattles. So I got those new. So let me go over to the table and show you guys what I got here. So, like I was telling you guys, the shift linkage, I bought one brand new from this place called Valix Racing on eBay. It's like a brand new aftermarket. The other one, I don't know, for some reason the one on the car feels like this joint here is real tight, and I don't know if it's bent or it's too tight. I don't know what's going on. I figure I'd just buy a new one, test it out, see what's going on. So here I also got the torque mounts. I got them 75/8 bushings, so it's stiff, but it's not the stiffest, you know. It'll still be alright to drive around. It won't rattle your teeth out. I got some 1320 motor mounts. Here's the rear, and here's the driver's side mount. And I got this traction bar here that I think we're gonna install today. So I'm gonna get these mounts on. I'm gonna try to get the linkage on and the traction bar. Let's see what we can get done. let me show you guys something real quick. On the driver's side, when you're doing the torque mount, this would be the AC bracket. Torque mounts come with this little spacer right here. If you don't use the spacer here, you'll have a gap between the torque mount and the bracket. So always the spacer that comes on the torque mount, make sure you put it on the driver's side, so you won't have any issues when you're tying it down. We're finally done. We did the motor mounts and the torque mounts only because it became a little late. I got some stuff to do, so let me show you what it looked like now. So here's the driver's side mount. Got the rear mount back there. Now we can see it back there. It's right over there. And installed two torque mounts. Passenger side and driver's side. Right there. Maybe get it to focus. Right there. So that's it. I mean, it's only a quick video showing you guys that I did the solid mounts. Well, not solid, but they hardened bushings, 75/8 bushings. Good for the street, and it's also pretty solid. It's just not super solid to like the whole car rattles. So I'm gonna go for the first drive and check it out. But like I always tell you guys, like, comment, subscribe. This is a little short video. I just wanted to show you guys the little update today of the mounts. I was gonna do the traction bar and the linkage, but it got a little late on me, so we'll do that for the next video. So remember, like I always say, I love everybody. I love all of y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and it's Chop. I'm out of here.